We are back again with yet another video. Duke rebuild road to glory. Ryan Dawkins prototype. Moses Bueller here with the gameplay. National championship is on the line. Heisman Trophy winning quarterback for Ohio State. Undefeated. Boise State was undefeated as well, but we are in the national championship. Let's go. I did play the conference championship against Maryland. I got an interception at the very end of the game on the Hail Mary. It's a pretty close game. All American once again came out on top. Miraculous. Ohio State has a wide receiver, running back, quarterback. Also, their offensive line is top tier. Boise State. But defensively, we are there. Our guy here won the little award. As you see here as well. Who else we got? Our defensive tackle wins all there. Our middle linebacker, he wins all. See Big Frank Moses Bay. Get off to a good start as far as interceptions went, but we still were able to pick up All-American for our position. Best in the nation. Who else? You got our strong safety as well. Let's see. Right. I'm pretty sure this Ohio State guy, Braxton Miller, he's taking out the eyes. This, I'm pretty sure my quarterback is so there. Go. I forgot exactly how the votes went down. Let's get into the game, man. Let's go with the second church. Definitely gonna do the black and white helmet with just blue, black socks with the black blue shoes. So that's how we rock it. Coin flip. We get the kick. Turn my back off. So always say, how much money left in the back. So peace and peace. Rumbling down the field pretty strong. Might be an option. Keeps it. I have to get up there. It's kind of hard. Shit, tackles. Work out so like all the time. Just slow down just a little bit. Got him. Oh shit. Wow, that's crazy. That's the things. All American defensive end just attack. 3 tackles just drive. It's first of all loss. Gotta read these plays here. Option. Have fun. I can get over screens. Got it. Nice. Yeah. Right. At least we hold the 3 there. At least we know how they gonna look, how they coming. He's taking it out. He's taking it out. It upfield. He fumbles. Oh, okay. Oh, you fumbled. Great return there. Nothing. I'm gonna start watching the plays again. I gotta remember that. I think well when I'm watching. I think option play. Got him. Shit, fucked up. All right, let's stop. Might be a screen. It is. We get him. It's our guy. He scored. All right. Blocked so far. Oh, I cracked him. Woo. That's event almost got to him. It didn't. Cuts up and I crack him. Boy, what a hit. Clean, too. All that minimum will make you pay. My tackle for a loss. Got all the way up to the line there. Give me like a record ball. Like that white guy took a bad angle. Or was looking at me, so I just came. Screen. Oh, picked off. It's picked off by the white guy. Oh man, was I the captain though? The captain gets the pick. We score off that. Great momentum into the quarter. Oh, hands it off to the running back. He try to cut it up field and gets taken down around the 30-yard line. No huddle offense once again. I gotta be mindful. The slants, the weakness here. Another pick for the guy, back to back. He might take this one to the house here, people. I get a block. He breaks the tackle. Wow. Back to back picks for the captain, Elliot Thornburg. Wow. Wish I would have seen. He probably got rushed. Best. We got the best defense. We'll put the pressure on him. Oh, screen. Oh, throws it out. Don't don't doubt the Heisman Trophy winner. He was going to hit him. Well, he could have threw that pass on 20 if you ask me, but fuck it. All right, 3rd and 10. They have not converted on 3rd down in the game yet. It's not. Oh, it's a screen. You won't make it past me. He will. But I do something. Maybe I should try to hit him in the blow. Because that quarterback in the last game that I did report, because again, the quarterback for screen. Hit him. Quarterback for Maryland is 99 overall, so straight tackle, no tackles on the game. Use your tackles, use your tackles. I thought I had a big hit, but it wasn't a big hit. Oh, drops it. That's me. What? Oh man. I know I ain't dropped that. I know I didn't drop that. Not my pick to the national championship. Unbelievable. See, if it's right, I'm gonna go for the blitz. I think it is right. It's hand off. It's complete. 13-yard team. If I was that quarterback, it'd probably be that much easier to beat the quarterback. Now, right, second and 10. Got scored on us. Got to the play that closer. Yeah, I want to play this closer, but I don't want to give up the big thing. Crack him. Ah, shit, I missed my tackle. Damn. This is what it's going to score before the half. No way, he doesn't. Get a tackle. I get a block. He almost was able to cut it upfield there. It's a good return, man. All right. Oops, hit the wrong button. Watch them, but they probably turned the ball over here since they're so close. Got him. He called timeout. They got his speed on this play. He's running. Called timeout. Another pick for him, man. I ain't want him to get that pick. Ball quick. Big short game. It's the third and the fourth. Big, 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 big down coming up here. Big conversion time for them. Oh, he gets me there. He got me beat. I would have kept running slant. Not ready for that play. It's not ready. Got him. It's a big time. Like it was like a horse collar type of time. Score. Shit, I got stuck. Damn. Block. Damn. Damn, he got me there. And he gets the wow. Heisman on him. Good offense. Play there. Thought he was able to get by there. Shit. Up the blitz. Nice. He's in there for 5 yards. Sparking duck offense. Oh, man over there. He hits him. He's open. First down at least. And more. Breaks a tackle. Out of bounds. Nice. Handles the blitz well. O-line did. He stays in the pocket. He stayed patient. Makes the proper read. Go ahead. Keep going. Oh, come on. 11. I think we should, if we get at least some positive yards, we should be able to at least get a field goal attempt. Screen play. Breaks the tackle. Okay. 5, 6 yards. Okay. This should be a field goal here. This is a field goal try. We have a good field goal kicker. I think we make this. We desperately need this and keep them off our ass. Kick is up, and it is right through the middle. Keeps it, keeps it away. Push him away. Keep him off. Good job about the kicker there. I gotta defend this inside slot I feel. Like that's the weak side, but also have to cover for the big play there. What is that? Title on the line. Title on the line. Yeah, I got him. That was a big stop. She was already big stop. Third down. Throwing it. He's running it. We get the sack. Offense once again. I suggest they run the clock. I expect things. I don't suggest. I expect running the clock. This play. Quick screen to Dominique. He doesn't break anything. Only gains nothing. At least that's not negative. Not the best game for him. Hey, looking to improve. All American. He's not even All American. Probably second team. Okay. Bob Pennington with the reception. He's been having a good game. That's probably the tight end. Quarterback doing pretty well this game. Showing them why he was free. Got it. Cuts it upfield. Breaks a tackle. Gets hit hard. Holds on to it. First down. 13-yard gain. Devin Pennington. Leon Moore needs one more to get 20 completions. 20 great completion percentage. Hands it off. Fake read to the running back. Nice. Beautiful. Keeps his feet in bounds. Another reception. Adding on. Keep pushing them away. Time is running low. We are up by at least a touchdown. Another completion. Win that ball. Second and 1. Ball is on the 21-yard line. Hikes. Big hand off the running back. He's running it. He's taking off. If he breaks that guy, he might go all the way. He does it. Showing the critics Leon Moore, showing the critics why he should have been chosen as a Heisman, as opposed to the opposing team. Let's go. Statement drive there. Can they get a pick here? You know they should be throwing it. Hands off to the flat. He gets a good game. Time is running low here. Looks like we had this game pretty, as I'm going for they passion. Again, the flat is not covered. They get the first down and more, a little bit more. They going deep. Oh, I tried to go for the pick still. Ohio State quarterback hasn't been that off. Just 2 bad throws. It's cost him. He hasn't been off. He showcased his Heisman abilities thus far. Flat again. Big hit there. Lionel Thomas. No reception. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in the national championship game. Yup. Screen. I got him. I get the tackle, but he has the first 4-yard reception. I read the screen, but not quick enough. The screen, no. Oh, he gets sacked. He's about to throw it. That's Rich with the second sack of the game. 2nd and 17. All near midfield. Tight end is on a slot. Watch the flat. He throws it out of bounds. Change this play to the cover 4. Cover 4 would be the ideal play here, I suppose. Cover 4. Just need to cover the weak spots here. Oh, that's the weak spot. Oh, he gets the catch. Is that my section? I'm not sure. It's on the cover 4. He's thinking about, he gets sacked again by Rich. Third sack of the game for Rich. Drops it. Coming in on the blitz appropriately. Here I go. Sure, I'm not. Oh, Rich comes in again. 9 tackles, his 4th sack. They hit him with a defensive line move. Flat, supposedly. Flat is covered, but no one's there. I'm going upfield. Turnover on downs. The game is over. The game is over. Duke has won his first ever national title as on the football side of things. Who would have thought? We've been shitty for so long. That that coach is fat as hell. We've been great in football, but been shitty in football our whole damn near shit. A whole school year establishment. But we've done it. We've done the rebuild through various 99 overall players. I have done it. National title, Braxton Miller. I don't know if you're a senior. Leon, you're done it, Leon. Give me that silver. Yes, we've done it. Nationals. Yes. That big hit. I had a few big hits. Made some stops. I did what I had to do. Give up any big plays. I came. I did what I had to do. Drop the pick. Simple off season. I'm gonna upload this ASAP bracket. Shit, where's me? I had 9 tackles. Nice, 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 nice. Fuck it. All right. Season. You've done it. Ugh. Interception. I think I might got 8 or 9 interceptions this season. Things going on. crash. When's the last spike? Hopefully I'm on the damn big return to okay, pumped.